Hey booze, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is look, this whole look. I have so many new people at my channel and I get so many Snapchats and so many comments, and the people are like, oh my gosh, how do you do makeup? Your face is so flawless. What are you doing? Especially on my Snapchat. And I always like reference back to my channel, but I figured like there may be some newbies in the process and you may not scroll down to all my videos. Not only that, it's been a minute since I've kind of gave like an in-depth of what I do for my face. So I just thought I'd come give like this bronze glow, this update, this chocolate skin popping, smooth matte face routine that I do. This is something that I wear every single day. Not only that, I have been on this search for the longest time for a lip gloss that I could just put on. I didn't have to wear a lip liner with, I didn't have to mix, I didn't have to do none of that. Needless to say, I found this bomb lipstick where I don't need a lip liner. Like, I don't have a lip liner on and I love the way it looks on me. Like, I found this lip gloss and it's actually called Luxe Creamy. It's by Kiss New York. It is their Kiss New York. It's their Luxe Creamy lip gloss, and this color is in the color Cappuccino, and guys, it's so freaking amazing. Like, I think it's so beautiful. It's literally like an everyday, a go-to. Like, I really like it. So I just wanted to come bring this look to you guys. I'm sure you guys are actually going to love it. All my products here are drugstore, like literally drugstore. You know me, I'm still drugstore queen, okay? Face, all drugstore, everything. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see any more looks or anything, drop it down in the comment section. I feel my most comfortable, doing looks like this. Like, I know I'm a slay it because I could do the neutrals all day, so it's like, that's just me. But anyways, I'm talking too much. I'm drugstore queen. You need to, what did I just say? I cannot believe I just said that. That's because I was saying I'm the drugstore queen. Anyways, I'm Nene Tanae to all my new subbies. Hey boos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye y'all. Mwah. Alright y'all, we starting with my hair. I'm just going to take out these braids. Hun, it's a mess, okay? So all I'm going to do is start to comb my hair out. Then I'm going to just simply use water to spray it and then mousse as like the little styling product. I didn't want to put anything too heavy on my hair because it's due for a wash day soon. So I just want to do something super light. So I'm just wetting it and then putting mousse on it. And then I'm just going to comb it all out and brush it on up into a nice little bun. My hair is just such at a stagnant growth. This is the flaxseed gel. I really like it. It's okay. It's not as great as the olive oil one. So I'm just brushing my hair up into like this nice little bun so I can go ahead and put this little piece on. But yeah, my hair is such at a stagnant growth state, y'all. So these are the two types that I bought, but I end up using the one on the left, the one with the girl with the brown hair. So I'm just gonna wrap it around my little bun, and then I'm gonna twist the hair real loosely. I don't want a tight twist. You see how loose that is? And I'm simply gonna wrap it around like such, and then as you bring the hair to the front, you want to give it a nice little loose wrap like that, and that creates the little bun effect. Just like that right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and pin this in, and then I'm just gonna pull the hair out just a little bit, and there's my bun. You'll see. Yes, bitch. We late, baby. We late. So let's move to the face, y'all. My skin is doing excellent, yo. Like, I need to give you guys a skincare routine. I'm so happy that my skin is doing great. So what I use is the Urban Decay and Milk of Magnesia. The Urban Decay goes on my eyelids because I have oily eyelids, and this really works. Like, it really helps the oil. And then the Milk of Magnesia is an old time faithful that really just stops the oil on my face. And I've completely just rid all my primers and went straight to this, and I love. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyelids so I could just get a solid base. So I'm just using some concealer to blend it in, and then I'm going to put like a powder on top of that just so that it's completely like solid, one color. So y'all know we ready going to this Morphe palette beach, and I'm about to take this color right here, and I simply just brushed this color on. I didn't do too much with it because I really didn't need it. I just like it to put on top of that Nye powder, because I don't like that Nye powder to just be like sitting there. So now I'm going to go in with this reddish brown color right here, and I'm actually going to blend that into the first color I used. As you see, that first color is pretty. Like, it's a pretty like matte brown, and it's really light. So I'm just blending in this like reddish brown color. It's kind of red brown, but it's cute. Now I'm going to go in with this one. I don't know the name of it. It's at the top, but excuse me. This is going to go into the crease. It's the first crease color. Now you'll see that I'm just using a mixture of browns just so that I can get that brown smoky look. You don't have to use all these colors, but for me, I just found that this gives me that yeah, you know. So this is a deeper brown I'm really going to put into the crease, and you're going to see how I darken this up. But yeah, I use all these browns because, you know, I'm trying to go for this smoky, like warm look. So these browns really like warm it up for me. You see that? Like, it's so pretty. And then from there, if you use these browns, you could add any color on your eyelid. Bitch, you could put an electric green right there. So now I'm going to go in with a glitter primer. I love this glitter primer, and it came with this glitter, and the glitter is only $2.99, bitch. And I think it's from Kiss New York, but I got it from my beauty supply store, and I hate working with glitter, sis. Like, I swear I hate it. But this primer right here, along with this glitter, it's like lit. Like, the glitter literally sticks to it. So as you see, I was just kind of like carving out my lid space. It's called Glitz and Glitter. And you'll find it in your beauty supply store, y'all. Check the description box. It'll have the full name and color. But look how gorgeous this is. Oh my freaking gosh. Like, when I seen it, I was like, let me test it out. And then when I test it out, I can't stop using it because it's so pretty. And it's so cute. So I'm just packing it on the lid. And like I said, the primer that came with it, it really just helps. That was one of my issues with working with glitters. I just did not know how to get them to stick. And I would try like different primers, especially the one from NYX, and that shit just wasn't working. The only thing I hate about glitters is, as you can see, this shit is all over my daggone face, okay? I don't like that. I don't like it. Even when I'm working with clients, even when I go wash my face, I gotta really work extra hard to get glitter off. I can't stand it shit, okay? So now we're done with the eyes. We just gonna go ahead and conceal under the eyes. This is a stickler for me. If you've watched me for years, this is just something that I do. This concealer is, I can't think of the name, LA Girl. Their concealers I really love, and this is in the color Beautiful Bronze, my go-to. I use it to highlight, I use it to conceal, girl. I use it all over. But as you see, it really like clears up my darkness, and as I'm doing, I'm really just patting this in. My foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 370. This is it. This is me all day, honey. I love this foundation. This is the matte poreless one. So like I said, I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, I might have cut it out, but I'm a matte girl all day. I like to look matte because my skin is oily, and I just personally don't like the dewy little glossy look. Bitch, I feel like I'm sweating. I don't like that. You know, my highlight popping too damn much, and I'm trying to wipe it away thinking it's sweat. Hell no. This is Nye Topaz Powder. Nye has been around for years, okay? I've been using it for years. But I like the Topaz. It really, like, as you press it into the skin, it really just gives that soft highlight, especially for us chocolate girls. Like, Topaz is the way to go. I really like Topaz. Now, I'm not even using much. I'm just putting it on there and just really like placing it into the skin. Now this part right here is, I'm just going to go in and contour. As you guys know, I'm just using an eyeshadow. So out of that Morphe palette, it's the darkest eyeshadow you see besides black. And I'm really using that to just like carve out my cheekbones. And then what I went ahead and did was bronze my forehead. Now this happens every so often. My face is already like Mr. Potato Head. So I really don't like to bronze my forehead. Because I have a small forehead. My hair is like, my shape is like real, like, I don't think I have a round face. It's kind of like, girl, let me not go on myself right now. But the point is, my head shape is weird as bitch. So I just don't try to contour too much up there. But anyways, I wanted it for like the look I was going for. So I'm brushing all that stuff off, and this is a key. Like, you have to make sure you brush this highlight powder off. Like, my contour lines, I could have brushed that off some more, for real. Like, seriously, I hate when I could see the line And on the left side that we're looking at right now, that side right there, you could kind of see that line a little bit. So I wish I brushed it off a little bit more, but it's okay. I was still popping. This is the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee, the newest color they have, which is amazing on me. And I'm just using it all over my face. Have you noticed that I talk this whole voiceover? Bitch, yes, I talk this whole voiceover. You know, YouTube got this whack-ass music that I have to put. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Blush. It's a new color. Check the description box. It'll be there. I like it, but I had to go in real lightly because I didn't know if it was about to give me, I didn't know what color it was about to give me. So now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Glow. This is in the color Bronze Glow, whatever. $3.99 at your beauty supply store. I had to do the forehead. I really showed y'all this part because this is what I do for my forehead. So it's like my forehead always has to pop. And now I'm just going in with some liquid liner. But yeah, like, I hate the music selection, so I figured I have it playing while I'm talking. You know, I could keep you more entertained than this whack ass music, but we just got to make it do what it do. And I just noticed I'm cursing a lot. Listen, I'm a cursor. If it's offending anybody, my apologies. I'm just a cursor. That's just me. Go ahead and add that mo. You already know. Yes, sis, add the mo. Now we're going in with this bomb ass lip gloss. Like, listen, all you do is just put it on. Put it on. And then all you're going to do is blend the top edges of your lips. But when you put it on, it's so, like, naturally pink and beautiful. Like, guys, get it. I got it from my beauty supply store. Check the description box for the full name. Search it online. They got it in the beauty supply store. Like I said, you're just going to go ahead and blend out that top lip and you're good to go. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you like my voiceovers, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and I'll come do more, okay? I'm Nene Tanae to all my new subbies. Hey, boos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.